If you knew that just one sentence, only one, could make her heart race and leave a lasting impression in her mind for years, would you still rely on empty comments like, "You look pretty," or "Nice outfit"? Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before we dive into this topic, let me ask you a quick favor. If this content helps you better understand what goes on in a woman's mind, I'd really appreciate it if you showed your support with a like or a subscription. It only takes a couple of seconds and it helps more men discover this kind of insight. I also have a question for you. Which city are you watching this video from? I enjoy reading your comments and seeing where everyone is from. It helps build a stronger community. Most men have no idea how powerful their words truly are. They mistakenly believe attraction is only about looks, money, or status, but the truth is different. What really makes the impact is how you make her feel. And here's the key point. One of the most underrated tools you have is a well-delivered compliment. Think about it for a moment. Have you ever noticed how a woman's entire mood can shift because of something someone said? A single sentence said at the right time and with the right intention can completely change how she sees you. Not just for a moment, but in a lasting way. Today, you're going to learn 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't typical lines or forced flattery that make you seem needy. These are thoughtful, psychologically impactful compliments that tap into something deeper, making her feel seen, respected, and genuinely attracted on another level. And here's the unfiltered truth. If you're throwing out generic compliments like candy, "You're cute," "Nice outfit," "You look great," you become just another guy, easily forgettable. But when you understand self-control, intention, and the weight behind your words, you realize something important. The power isn't just in what you say, but in how you say it and what it makes her feel. So if you want to level up, stand out, and leave a real impression, keep listening. Compliment number 1. That fragrance you're wearing is amazing. It's almost addictive. The sense of smell is one of the strongest triggers of memory and emotion. A scent can instantly take someone back to a specific moment. When you compliment her fragrance, you're not just saying, "You smell nice." You're saying, "Your presence stays with me even when you're gone," and that carries real impact. Compliment number 2. Your smile can light up any room. This isn't just about her lips or teeth, it's about the energy she gives off. You're recognizing her emotional presence and the effect she has on her surroundings. Compliment number 3. I really like how genuine you are. You don't try to fit in, you just stay true to yourself. In a world full of people pretending, authenticity stands out. This compliment goes beyond appearance and speaks to who she really is. Compliment number 4. I like the way you see things. Your perspective is different. It makes me think. Now you're connecting with her mind. You're acknowledging her depth, which makes the interaction more meaningful. Compliment number 5. Your energy is amazing. It actually makes me want to become better. This is a powerful level of appreciation. You're not just saying you like her, you're saying she inspires you. Compliment number 6. You're really thoughtful. It's clear that you genuinely care about others. Here, you're recognizing her character. It's not a common compliment, which makes it stand out even more. Compliment number 7. I admire how focused you are. Your determination is inspiring. This highlights her discipline and ambition, something deeply tied to her identity. Compliment number 8. You have a special way of making people feel comfortable and valued. This points to her emotional intelligence and her ability to connect with others. And there you have it. 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't just words. They're tools to build connection, respect, and real attraction. Because at the end of the day, a woman might forget what you said, but she will never forget how you made her feel. If you found this valuable, don't stop here. Keep learning. Keep improving. It's not about being just another man. It's about leaving a lasting impression. One well-chosen word at a time.